holiday countdown is almost nearing its end, and if you still don't have your kids' wish list complete, you will be happy to meet our next guest. The toy industry's premier player, Elizabeth Werner, is here, ready to talk last chance gifts for the holiday season. Good morning.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you as well.
Yeah. So kids are so much fun to buy for, but it can be a little overwhelming. So I understand that you've done some holiday homework for us, and you've got some great ideas. Where do you want to start
Well,
this
let's
morning?
jump right in with a little bit of technology.
Okay.
Now, kids love that. Parents want their kids to learn while they use technology. This is the best of both of those universes. This is the VTech InnoTab Max. Now, this is a 7-inch Wi-Fi enabled tablet. It's got that really cool multi-touch screen that kids love. You know, they know how to swipe from when they're born these days. It's the fastest one VTech has ever made. It comes with great educational content built in, and of course, we can download more of that. It also has a premium VTech Kid Connect app that allows children to send voice and text messages to their parents' smart devices, and the parents can then send some of those messages back. So it's a great way to keep those kids engaged. Now, Skylanders, oh my gosh, Activision Skylanders, one of the biggest franchises in gaming of all time. What they've done is they've taken these really cool characters that we play with in the real world. Now, when we take this character, place it onto the portal of power, look what happens in that tablet. All of a sudden, that character is in the digital world. Yes, we were playing with it in our hands, now in the video game. I get to be my favorite character. Well, this year they've come out with the Skylanders Trap Team. So in addition to all that magic, we now can go in, use some traps, capture our favorite villains, and guess what? We bring them back into the real world, and when we re-enter the digital world, we can be that villain. But we've converted that villain, and we're now going to use those powers for the good. So a lot of fun, and can be played on your consoles and now on your tablets as well. Now, character-based play, always really big. Oh my gosh, I adore this little guy. This is Beto, Fireman Minion, Stort. Now, he's right out of the movie. Those Despicable Me animated movie series that we love and adore. We're going to squeeze the hand, squeeze the belly for all this fun interactivity. It becomes a best friend, of course. We're going to bring this minion everywhere and have a lot of fun playing. Family game night, always big in my house. This is Mustache Smash. Now we're all going to hold these mustaches up against our faces. The whole family, this brings a lot of giggles, I have to tell you. Giggle warning ahead. As we play this, we've got a deck of cards. We're going to flip those cards. When you see a card that matches your mustache in color or in shape, you're going to smack that card. When you do that, the suction cup is going to pick the card up. You get to keep that card. And of course, the person with the most cards at the end is the winner. A lot of fun twists in the game as well. Some cards are going to make us switch mustaches, etc. But great for the entire family. Now let's get our kids up and active. Yvolution helps us do that. Whether your child is a toddler or all the way up through their teen years, they're going to love all of their fabulous items. Now, starting right off with the Yvolution Y Flicker Lift. This is so cool for kids ages 7 and up. It carves, it drifts, it spins, and it's got wheelie lift technology. What does that mean? When you're riding, you pull up on those handlebars. The back wheels are specially designed to allow you to not only pop a wheelie, but to ride along the road on those wheelies. It's really amazing, so innovative and new, it will get your kid outside. Now for our little ones, this is the Yvolution Lupa. Check this out. It starts off as a balance bike, which really helps them engage their core, learn those strengthening and the balance so that when they move to a bicycle, they won't need training wheels. But the magic lies in that this will then convert into a scooter. So your little one can then learn those beginning phases of scooting in a really safe way. Nice low-to-the-ground scooter with wide wheels and a flat platform. So perfect, again, for our little ones ages 3 and up.
All right, Elizabeth, I think you're having too much fun over there. I love it.
Thank you.
All right, I love how toys and games bring out the kids and the adults too, right?
Absolutely.
We're all big
yes,
kids.
And that's part of the fun and the magic of the holidays.
Yeah, I know. All right, any one website you want to send us to for all this great stuff?
Sure, you can check out our website, which is wernerinfo.com.
Again, all great, easy enough. Elizabeth,
thank you
so
for having
much.
me. Happy holidays.
Well, of course, we'll put all that on our website, fox4morningblend.com.
Up next, how the best gift you can give this holiday season is yourself. Stay with us.